In this demo, I'm going to walk you through how ReconBids AI takes you from zero setup to a fully analyzed federal contract opportunity in just a few minutes. We're starting on the main dashboard. The goal is simple. Instead of spending hours digging through SAM.gov manually, ReconBids AI helps move from setup to actual decision-making much faster. The first step is uploading a capability statement. This is one of the most important parts of the process because the capability statement is how the system starts to understand the business. It includes services, experience, differentiators, certifications, and key identifiers like NAICS codes. As the document uploads, ReconBids AI begins pulling out the important business details. It looks for the core capabilities, keywords, service areas, certifications, and other information that can help match the company to the right opportunities. This replaces what would normally be manual filtering and guesswork. It also helps reduce the chance of missing important details that could affect whether an opportunity is actually a good fit. Instead of relying only on keyword searching, the platform uses the information from the capability statement to build a stronger picture of what the business can actually support. Once that's uploaded, we move into building out the profile. The profile becomes the foundation for the rest of the workflow. ReconBids AI uses the uploaded capability statement to organize the company's strengths, services, NAICS codes, and certifications into a usable business profile. From there, every opportunity can be compared against that profile. That means the platform is not just showing random results, it is helping evaluate opportunities based on what the company actually does. This makes the search process more focused because the system already understands the company's strengths before the user even begins reviewing contract listings. It also adds an extra layer of AI profile analysis, where the system reviews the business profile itself to identify strengths, keywords, certifications, NAICS codes, service categories, and opportunity areas that can improve matching, reduce irrelevant results, and help the user understand how their business may align with different types of federal contracts before spending time reviewing each one manually. Now we move into searching for opportunities. ReconBids AI helps simplify that process by giving the user a faster way to search, review, and narrow down potential opportunities. Now I'm going to select an opportunity and run the analysis. This is where the platform really starts to save time. Instead of manually reading through everything and trying to figure out the fit, ReconBids AI reviews the opportunity and compares it against the company profile. The system looks at the opportunity details, requirements, keywords, likely fit, and potential gaps. It helps answer the question every small business has: is this something I should actually spend time on? While the analysis is running, this is normally where a business owner would be reading through pages of information, copying notes, checking capability alignment, and trying to make a judgment call. ReconBids AI speeds up that first review so the user can get to a decision faster. Now we're looking at the analysis results. This gives a clearer picture of the opportunity. I can quickly understand what the contract is asking for, how it lines up with the business, and whether there are areas that may need more review. This is important because it moves the process from guessing to informed decision-making. Instead of chasing every opportunity, the user can focus on the ones that make the most sense. As I review the details, I can see how the system breaks down the opportunity and connects it back to the company profile. This helps identify where the business is strong and where it may need additional information, teaming support, or more preparation. The platform can also help create a starting point for response language. Instead of starting from a blank page, ReconBids AI can generate draft content based on the opportunity and the company profile. This can help with outreach, internal notes, early proposal planning, or follow-up language. That does not replace the final response, but it gives the user a much stronger starting point. Once the opportunity looks worth pursuing, I can save it to the pipeline. This keeps everything organized. Instead of losing track of opportunities or managing everything in separate spreadsheets, the pipeline gives the user a place to track, prioritize, and return to opportunities later. It turns the search process into a clear workflow instead of a scattered list of links and notes, while also allowing the user to quickly review and analyze attachments so important requirements aren't missed. So in just a few minutes, this workflow went from uploading a capability statement to building a profile to searching for opportunities to running an analysis, reviewing the fit, and saving the opportunity to the pipeline. That is the value of ReconBids AI. It helps businesses spend less time searching, less time guessing, and more time focusing on the opportunities they are actually positioned to pursue. Thank you for watching this walkthrough from ReconBids AI. We'll be releasing more videos like this, covering additional features, deeper workflows, and ways to help you move faster and make better decisions when pursuing government contracts.